How to remove your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have done so, on the down right section, tap on your profile and you can see here is your bio. Now, how do you remove your bio? To do that, tap on edit profile and then just scroll down and you will see I haven't added any bio, so there isn't any bio right here. But if I add here and add on the tick button, and when I see on my profile there is a bio. Now how do I remove it? To remove it, simply go through there and remove it all by tapping on your cross button which is on the keyboard. Tap on right button and then go back and see there is no bio on your Instagram account. So this is how you do it. If you liked our video, hit on the like button. Subscribe our channel for more videos, and you have any queries or suggestions, then please to comment on our comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.